welcome to Delightful and Delicious. My name is Stephanie and I am so glad that you are here. Today we are making super easy and quick peach cobbler. Now if you're not already subscribed, please take a moment, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell right down below. We're going to go ahead and preheat our ovens to 350 degrees and let's get into this. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is take your butter, put it in your baking dish, pop this in your oven and let that melt. Now the cobbler that I am making is big enough to serve 6 to 8 people. So I am using two 15-ounce cans of peaches that I have drained. Now to our peaches, we're going to add lemon juice, pure vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. And we're going to mix that together well. Once your peaches are mixed, set those aside. Now we're going to make our batter. Mix flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Mix your dry ingredients together. Next, add in room temperature milk, 1 egg, and mix everything together well. Now we're going to take our batter, we're going to pour it into the butter that we melted in the oven. Now don't stir this up, guys. We want it just like this. And then we're just going to spoon our peaches into the dish. Alright guys, now I know it seems counterintuitive, but we are not going to stir this. The magic won't happen if you do that. We're just going to take this dish, pop it into our 350-degree oven, and bake it for 45 minutes to an hour. Just depends on how hot your oven gets. Alright you guys, our cobbler is out of the oven. I'm going to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before we cut into it. I like to add a scoop of ice cream to mine. This one just happens to be butter pecan because I really like that flavor. Y'all. Let's take a little taste. Boom! Yes. Just enough sweetness. Because we didn't add in the syrup and we drained our peaches, you can taste all the other flavors that we added in. And this has come together really, really nicely. This was super easy to do. I hope you guys try this recipe. Please leave me a comment down below, or if you have questions, feel free to ask. I'd love to hear from you guys. Make sure you're subscribed before you go. And remember, the next time you are in the kitchen, you're keeping it delightful and delicious. Bye guys.